Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable push notifications in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, you need to head over and search in here for a plugin called OneSignal. So let's head over and search in here for that. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results related to this one. You can see in here this OneSignal web push notifications. Head over and click on this install now button in order to install this. Once you have done this, you can head over and then activate this particular plugin. So let's head over and click on this activate option right here. As you can see right now, plugin has been activated. So let's scroll down to the very bottom of our left sidebar until you can see this OneSignal push. Click on this OneSignal push right here in order to access the settings for this particular plugin. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this one and you can see in here the configuration. So you can enable this if your site uses HTTPS connection or SSL. And then from in there, you can actually add in here your app ID. So they also have in here some overviews and setups as well before you configure it. So you can create a OneSignal account or log in their Insta account. Just head over and click on this blue icon right here and then this will direct you to the next page or new tab. Then from in here, you can sign up. So let's head over and click on the sign up option right here in order to sign up for an account. So I'll head over and sign up with my Google right here. Once you have signed up, you should be able to choose a plan. For me, I'll head over and click on the free plan for now. Now in here, you can just tell them about yourself, your last name, category that describes your role right here. So I'll head over and then just put in here some details of mine. And then you can see in here the family use for this one. And then as well as the plan to use this. I'll choose push notifications and click on continue right here. And then in here, this will direct me to this one. And I just need to provide in here the company name or organization name. And then just put in here your website. So I have in here my website. I'll just head over and copy this from here. And then just paste it right here. And you can just put in here the industry as well as the company size and click on continue. Once you have done that, it will show you the name of your app of website. So in here, I'll just put in here the name. From in there, click on create. And then in here, you should be able to answer all the onboarding questions they have for you. Now let's head over to our settings and click on this web and activate it. Click on this activate right here in order to activate the web configuration for this one. So you can put in here your WordPress plugin or website builder. I'll just choose in here WordPress. And then I'll just head over and put in here my site name, which is Daily Tutorials, as well as the site URL that I have copied earlier. And also this author subscribe if you want. And also the icon for this, you can upload it right here. So I'll head over and upload mine for this one. Once it's been uploaded, click on save right here once you're done cropping it. And as you can see, this will upload as well. Now in here, you can see this. You can also see in here this advanced push settings. And once you're done with that, click on the save icon right here in order to save this one. And now we have this. So let's head back right here to our WordPress and then let's put in here on our configuration. So in here, let's put in here the app ID that we can get in here. So this app ID is unique to every one of you. So copy all of these things right here as well as this web ID that they have and put it right here. And you can also see this, all of this right here. So just put in here send notification additionally to all of the platforms, and you can see in here the prompt settings and all of this. You can automatically prompt new visitors and as well as this settings right here. Once you're done with that, head over and save all this progress right here by clicking on the save option. And then once you have saved it, you now have push notification for your WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.